Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to delete a deal from HubSpot. Whether you're cleaning up your pipeline or removing outdated opportunities, this process will help you keep your CRM organized and clutter-free. First, open your web browser and navigate to app, HubSpot.com. Once you're there, log in using your HubSpot account credentials. Make sure you're using an account with the proper permissions to delete deals, as this action typically requires administrative access. After logging in, direct your attention to the left navigation panel. Hover your mouse over the option labeled CRM. When you do this, an expanded menu will appear with several choices. From that menu, click on Deals. This will take you to your Deals dashboard where all your sales opportunities are listed and managed. Now you need to locate the specific deal you want to remove. If you have a large number of deals, use the search bar at the top or apply filters to narrow down your results. This makes it much easier to find exactly what you're looking for without scrolling through pages of records. Once you've found the deal, click on the deal name to open its details page. Here's where things get important. In the deal record, look at the left side where you'll see a toggle box. Click on that box to check the deal you want to delete. This selection process allows you to choose one or multiple deals if needed. Once the deal is checked, look up at the top menu where you'll find several action options. Click on the Delete option. This tells HubSpot that you're ready to remove this deal from your system. A confirmation dialog will pop up on your screen. HubSpot takes data deletion seriously, so they require you to type specific characters in the provided fields to confirm your action. This extra step prevents accidental deletions and ensures you really want to proceed. Type the required characters exactly as shown, then click the Delete button to permanently remove the deal from your CRM. And that's it. The deal is now completely removed from your HubSpot account. This helps maintain a clean, accurate pipeline that reflects your actual sales opportunities. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.